Hey, I am a joke. I don't know how I got that, by the way.
It's a mask, no? Yeah?
You could have picked someone better looking, huh?
Mug. Scarf.
3 for 3. Let's go.
I'll be honest. I could be scrambling here. Is it a toy dinosaur? A bird? Toy bird?
Yay.
Yeah, I definitely know what this is. Oh, a whoopee cushion.
Is it right? I haven't seen one of these in ages, to be fair.
I definitely don't know how to do one of these, but I definitely know what it is. Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, I wouldn't know how to do this. If you give me about even a year, I still wouldn't be able to do it.
I know it's obviously a ball of some kind, but what ball though? A basketball.
Yay, get in there.
Yeah. A rubber duck.
Yeah, come on. Tell that from a mile off.
What on earth? I am scrambling. Is it like a... You know what I reckon it is? Is it like a bobblehead? This might be way off. Yoda.
Wow.
Bobblehead.
Wow.
Is it?
Hey, I am a joke. I don't know how I got that, by the way. That's well hard. I know I'm gonna be stitched up here, aren't I?
Hairdryer.
Yeah, I've seen plenty of these before. 10 for 10.
Boom.
Winners win. Let's go. Hi, I'm Lloyd Kelly, and I just done Amazon's What's in the Box, and I got 10 out of 10. Let's go.